Good morning, good morning, good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning. Look what we have.
CBD.
What is it?
CBD.
Yes. Yes, our new CBD bath bombs loaded with Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Yes. So we are gonna load this baby. Not just yet. Not just yet. So our new CBD bath bomb is made with full spectrum CBD. We did a lot of research. We finally found a company that we believed in, we trusted. Don't put it down. Don't put it down. No, not yet. Not yet. No. Stop. We found a company that we absolutely love their CBD. We've taken hundreds of baths. And finally, we made it. So, what does it have in it? It has Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. It has the CBD, full spectrum CBD. There's 35 milligrams of CBD oil in it. There is no THC. So, they're pretty wonderful. Yeah?
Yummy.
Pretty yummy.
Yeah.
So, our bathtub's kind of small, and these are feeling weird. So let me stretch out here. Wait, I don't want to get it wet yet.
No?
Okay. So, all right. Hey, Denise. Hey. All right. So, I see we got a couple people on the line. And who's ready?
So before we drop it, what does I know that CBD helps with a lot of, like aches and pains and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. But what does the activated charcoal do?
So the activated charcoal, that's a good question, babes. The activated charcoal, what it does is it detoxifies your skin, so to speak. Okay. So what it does is it gets rid of the toxins that are caused by dirt, dust, debris that your skin absorbs during the day.
So that means it will help with like clogging of the pores and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Cleaning the skin, detoxifying.
Detoxifying the skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's basically what detoxify means, is to clean.
Right. Okay. And there's a lot of debris and things that we pick up on our skin when we're out that we don't even realize, right?
Yeah. That is true. I understand what you're talking about because there's always stuff on the skin. After a little activity outside or whatever, if you rub your skin hard enough, you will see the dirt coming off of it.
Yeah.
So the skin does pick up dirt easily. So I get what you're saying.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then we put turmeric in it, and turmeric is wonderful for as an anti-inflammatory.
Okay, so that works along with the CBD.
CBD, yes. Okay. Yes. Get rid of.
So there's a lot of love in this little balm here.
Yes.
I see. Go ahead, Jessica.
Thank you, babe. And thank you for all your help, because you always help me so good.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yes, man. And then we can't leave out Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Right? Yeah. You can't leave that out. Yeah. We kind of take it for granted now. We've been rolling with it for 8 years. So for us, it's like, so Nigel's Jamaican almond oil is in there. Yeah. And that's going to help with
dry skin, itchy skin, eczema. Yep.
Yes. Yep. So we got you covered for anti-inflammatory, eczema, dry skin, detoxifying the skin.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. And any aches and pains.
And aches and pains, that's the big one. Because at first I didn't really I didn't really believe in the CBD in the bath bombs until I just started really, trying it myself. I had to be a believer, right?
I definitely didn't believe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did not believe.
Right?
But then it was when we came here, we tried it. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we kept trying it, and we kept trying it, and we kept feeling the difference
I became a believer, especially after, I think there was one time when I was having, a really hard time with my knee. Mm-hmm. And you convinced me in taking a bath with one of them. Mm-hmm. And I tried it, and I was like, oh, wow, this is really good. I never believed in it, but it works.
Okay.
So, you ready?
In just a sec, I want to let everybody know that we have another website, and that website is where the CBD products will be. So the activated charcoal bath bomb is our first one. And then what else did we make yesterday?
We made mango. We made, I think it's lemongrass, the black and yellow ones, and pink grapefruit, and coconut.
Mm-hmm. So we have all those different flavors, and we have a different website, like I was saying earlier. It's mysunshinecbd.com. There's a lot of legalities involved with selling CBD products. So we've met all the requirements. After months, we met all the requirements, and we're in. So mysunshinecbd.com, and the bombs are there. There's also all the different flavors, but the activated charcoal one, that's the star of the show.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's go ahead and drop the bomb.
Okay, should I drop it or just sit it in?
Sit it in so that I can get some
Here we go.
of it.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Pick it up. Where is it?
Oh, here it is.
So this scent for the activated charcoal is lavender. I just wanted the ultimate in relaxation. Yes. And that is a lot of balm for a regular size bath. Pull it up. It's a lot of balm for a regular size bath. So what we did was we've cut them in 4.
Yeah.
So the first round of activated charcoal ones will not be cut in 4 because we didn't think of it before that.
Yeah.
But thanks to our friend Tammy Golden, Pew, she gave us a suggestion. So we've cut them in 4. So you'll have 4 experiences out of one. Because this is a lot of balm. Pull it back up. Wow. Yes, and it smells divine. And you can see the activated charcoal is going on me.
You can look on my hand too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So, does anybody have any questions? Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Okay.
And so, how long do you recommend you stay in this to get the most out of it?
Well, first of all, you're not going to want to get out. Bring it back up again.
No, it's done.
It's done. Okay. Yeah. So that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was smart. We did them in 4s.
Yeah.
Okay. And some people might have a bigger bathtub, but our bathtub's not so big. So we have like a standard size tub. So we're going to cut them in 4. But what did you ask me a minute ago?
How long?
Oh, how long? So I'm going to be in here for a while. But
you normally stay in for about maybe an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the recommended time is at least 45 minutes. At least 45 minutes. I mean, you really want to
Get it all in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh. Yes. So, I'm gonna go. We're gonna go. And that's a good idea.
How do I get
Yeah,
down?
I was ready to relax. It's taking
Yeah.
it's
Around the edge there.
Okay, so when you get out, what I like to do is I have some cheap shampoo and I just take the shampoo and take a cloth and then I just wash around the tub before I get out.
So you just put it on the cloth and just wipe it around.
And just wipe it around and it comes
This
around.
is just my hand. There's nothing on there, but see, it moves easily. So, if you have some cheap shampoo to cut the oil, then it comes off real easy. Yeah.
Because shampoo helps with oily hair.
Right. So
And
it's designed to cut grease. So.
Right. Oh, yes. Getting all on my toes. It feels good.
Well, it just take to the skin. It's like it's like it was made to apply to the skin. You can see the difference here. Yeah. Cool.
Yes. All right. Okay, well, visit our website. We're going to be in the tub for the next 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay. There you are.
So, yeah. So, visit our website, My Sunshine CBD, and get your CBD bath bombs today. Yes.